Hi friends, welcome to my channel SDET-QA Test Automation, and today is our its session on Nightwatch training, and today we will complete the configuration sessions. So yesterday we have seen that how we can set the default configuration under the test settings, and today we will see about the Chrome configuration. That is basically you can set it any environment based also. Like if you want to set the environment like QA or Sandbox or anything, that you can set it based on your requirement. I am going to name it as a Chrome because I want it as Chrome environment, or you want to that as a, like a browser like based environment like Firefox. I like that name you can give it. So let's see how we can proceed with that one. So one thing that I told you that we will first start with the default setting, which will basically inherit the whatever settings we will give. That setting, if it is not present in the other settings, it will inherit from the default settings. Okay. And if you have defined these settings in the other setting, it will not take from the defined one, and it will override with the defined environment settings. Okay, so let's start with the settings that we can do it under the test settings, that is the environment based settings. So I'm going to name it as a Chrome. Okay, in place of Chrome you can give any name like QA or Sandbox or Dev or Production. Okay, so don't confuse with that name. This is environment name, so I am giving as a name as a Chrome. Okay, now we can start with the other settings. Like you can give these settings also to override it, but basically I have given in the default one, so I don't need it. So I can proceed with the other things. So first thing is that I will go with the desired capabilities, because for Chrome I need some special desired capabilities. So I'm just gonna copy this, and let's see what are all desired capabilities I required for setting the Chrome environment based settings in the test settings. Okay, the first thing will come, that is like browser name. Correct. So also you can see that this is a browser name is Chrome, that is defined under the default setting. Also you can ignore this, also you can just comment it out or you can remove it. Okay, so what will happen it if I use this Chrome, so the browser name will come as a Chrome. Okay, now next thing is that JavaScript enabled true. Yeah, I want to make it as a true, so I will give it as a true. Next thing is that accept SSL certificates. Yeah, I want that this to be accepted at true. Okay, next thing is that what are all desired capabilities you can want it. So yesterday I told you how you can find it. So what you have to do it, if you don't find anything, just go to Google and type it Chrome and desired capabilities. Okay, so here is that link. From there you can go and find it what are all the desired capabilities. Right now it is available. Okay, so all the desired capabilities they have mentioned there, you can find it here. Okay, so the next thing is that I'm gonna use it something called element scroll behavior. Okay, element scroll behavior. Okay, let's find this under the, sorry, and we will see that what it will do. So first let me find it here. Where did it is there? It is not there. Uh, Plus this. Let me find it. Wait a minute, guys. I have just searched the internet. I think this option is now not available and it is deprecated. So I'm gonna remove it. The next section I can see is application cache enabled. Okay, application cache enabled. Okay, and the value will come as true. Sorry, here's the spelling mistake. It should be CACHE. Okay, the next setting will come with the Chrome options. Okay, Chrome options. So what are all different Chrome options will come? That we will see it here. So the Chrome options you will pass it uh, as a arguments, okay, which will accept as a object. Okay, sorry, the object, sorry, as of a array. Sorry, this is a array. So we will see what our Chrome option is there. So if you have to find it, just go to this Google and type it Chrome plus Chrome options. Okay, capabilities and the Chrome options. Okay, here they have given the Chrome options class, and there you can find that what are all the Chrome options is available. Okay, and recognize capabilities, they are telling that to go with the here is the list of only Chrome specific capabilities and the standard capabilities there. There is a Chrome option object is there. Okay, so that options you can use it. So how you can use it, the Chrome option, and what are all options you can give it? Like, so first thing is that there is something called allow cross origin auth prompt. Okay, this is one setting. Another is allow control allow origin. Okay, next is allow file access from files. Okay, next is if you are using the test, then you have to give it like test type. The next is disable info bars. Okay, next is disable extensions if you want to disable the extensions. Then the next option is a start maximized. Okay, then we can give language also. You can give language. Suppose I want to use the English language, then I can give language is equal to en. Then there is something called no sandbox. Okay, these all has some importance while you are running the test. Okay, now if you want to know that what are all these things are there, okay, so let's search something like, okay, so let me search and show you some options what are they used for. Okay, so I have written this wrong, no sandbox here. So let's see what is this a stand for. What is this a stand for no sandbox? Okay, okay, so I have found this site. Okay, they have given that lots of option is available there. I will give this site into the description. Let me save this site. for your purpose. Okay. And there are other things also, like if I search with allow cross browser, let me search with that one. I think I have written, yes, this is the correct one. I have written the wrong statement. Here it is. Okay, then we have this. Let me find it. Allow control. This is fine, right? Let me search. Origin. This setting is not available. Then disable extension is there. Disable extension, you can find it here. Disable extension, what it will do it. Okay, so from this site you can find a lot of option is there. You can find it what is the use of that one. There are a lot of list of Chromium command lines which are there, means these are the options you can provide it into the configuration. Okay, so I hope you understand that how we can pass it. Like, okay, now the next option is there. This is the arguments you can pass it. Okay, the next thing is that the other option will come here is, or one is use automation extension. Okay, let me search is whether this is present or not. Use automation. No, this is not present. Okay, so use automation extension. So I'm gonna make it false. Okay, the next is preference. So we have to provide some preference also while we are working. Okay, so how you can provide the preferences? You have to write prefs. Okay, and then this will accept as a object. Okay, and whatever value you can pass it, like if you have to enable the credential services, so we can pass like that, credential underscore enable underscore service, and I'm gonna make it false. Okay, next is profile, which is again it is going to accept a object, where if you want to give the profile name or some other settings you can provide it. I am gonna make it like one settings that is required for me, that password manager underscore enabled, which is false. Okay, the next is, I am not gonna use any extension, but I am going to provide it like that, extension, and it will accept the object. I am passing it a blank object. Now the important thing is that, suppose you are downloading something is home by clicking some link. Okay, it will download. So while you are working on the automation, you want to download some files. So where you will download it? So what I'm gonna do it, I'm just going to create a folder called downloads. So what will happen, anytime I will download it, or the file, it will go inside and it will download it. So for passing this on information, I have to create the object, and what are all things I have to provide it? The first thing is that prompt for download, and I will make it false. Okay, directory upgrade. Okay. So what it will do basically, by default, Chrome will download in some place whatever you set it there. Okay. So what if you do it directory upgrade? So whatever directory you are going to pass it, so it will upgrade and it will pass the file into that one. So I am going to make it like default underscore directory, and I can pass the value like this downloads. Okay. And I'm going to save it. So you can see here that I am done with almost all the settings for the Chrome. Okay, so here I am done with the Nightwatch configuration for running my test into the Chrome browser. Okay, so what is the next step is there? Once every setting is done is we are ready to write our first test, and then some other steps is also there to execute the test. So that we will see from the next session. So today I am finishing the configuration files. I hope you will go through these notes, the code and the video, and you will understand it. If any issue you will find it, just put it in the comment and I will try to solve this issue. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.